How does country/location and case magnitude correlate with COVID-19 data and studies?
Country representation and recent COVID-19 abstracts.
We concluded that the North American population was the most represented and studied in all of the abstracts that we reviewed.
Demographics of age are represented in 2020 COVID research.
While we were looking through our abstracts, 60 of them mostly represent ages 60 and above.
From the data that we collected, we were able to see that all categories of ages were represented. However, adults ages 25 through 64 have the most representation in COVID-19 research. We noticed that not all articles list out the age demographics in the abstracts. Most of the time, age demographics are mentioned in the methodology sections.
What demographics of gender is represented in 2020 COVID-19 abstracts?
To answer our research question, we analyzed abstracts for binary, female and male gender representation. Our data shows that there were 4 all-male COVID-19 studies.
I learned that when you're doing a database, it is very long and takes a lot of curation, rereading, and finding variables and coding.